Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from your Samsung phone. So if you're looking for a setting to do this somewhere, the easiest way to do it is just go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down and there should be an option under here for accounts and backup. Then let's go to manage accounts. Choose your Google account. Now right here it has the option to remove your account. Just remove it right there and then it will be deleted from your phone. Now I believe you can just add an account back to your phone right here. If you want to add another Google account, choose it under here so you can see Google. Just tap it. So if you're trying to sign in with a different account, you can go ahead and do that right here. And then you can sync your contacts and your information through here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.